Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about few important terms which are used in supply chain management SCM, like sales order, purchase order, ASN, ATP, EDI, back order, drop shipment, allocated stock, bonded warehouse, all these. So first is what is supply chain SCM? It is a system of business processes to enable the profitable transformation of raw materials or product into finished goods and their timely distribution to meet the customer demand. What is sales order SO? Order which is placed by the customer is called sales order. Customer places an order on Amazon website, so for business that is a sales order. What is purchase order? Order which is placed by the one business to another business is called purchase order. So when business places an order to supply, that's the purchase order for the business. What is ASN? Advanced Shipping Notice. It is the information which is transmitted by the supplier or by the shipper to a customer or a consignee in advance of a delivery of item. For example, in supply chain, when goods are moved from distribution center or warehouse to retail store, one ASN is sent to the store from warehouse management system to let the store people know that warehouse will send the items to the store, and this also helps in tracking the shipment. Now let's see drop shipment. Situation where one of your vendors ship goods directly to your customer on your behalf. Here the customer don't know about your vendor. For example, suppose you are running a e-commerce business and you are not storing any inventory. You are not storing any inventory. You have partnered with the different partners for the fulfillments. So when you receive an order from the website, you share the order details with vendor to ship the item to the customer. So this is one of the model of business, drop shipment. What is landed cost? Total cost of ownership of an item is called landed cost. This includes the actual price of the item, shipping charge, custom duties, taxes, or any other charge which are borne by the buyer. Example, suppose you have purchased item from your vendor. So the cost which you bear is cost of shipping to get the item from the supplier, all the taxes, custom duties. So that is the landed cost. What is allocated stock? A product that has been reserved but not yet withdrawn or issued from stock. Thus, it is not available for other purpose, like it is not considered as a part of stock. Example, after customer places the order on the website, that particular item gets reserved for that order and the reserved quantity is reduced from the available stock. This is how we reserve the item or allocate the stock. What is available stock? The stock available to service immediate demand is called available stock. This stock is available in warehouse. As soon as the warehouse get the order details, they start the shipping process. What is available to promise ATP? ATP is the projected amount of inventory you have left available to sell. It does not include the allocated inventory or allocated stock. This number could be negative if sales order are more than your available inventory. So how you can calculate ATP? This is one of the method. Available quantity plus purchase order minus total demand or sales order. ATP gives the available quantity which can be promised to deliver and the delivery date. And business tries to deliver your item on the mentioned date. What is EDI? It is the computer to computer exchange of business documents like PO, ASN, invoice in a standard electronic format between business partners. So it is one of the way of exchanging the information between the systems. And it has many standards like ANSI, EDFACT, EBXML, TRADACOMS. So all these are the standards which we use. What is back order? A practice of placing a purchase order to a supplier or to a production unit for particular product which is out of stock in the warehouse. Some business also shown these back orders as a stock on the website, but with long delivery window than normal delivery window. What is bonded warehouse? This warehouse is managed by the custom office or the government body. Custom office put the imported goods in these warehouse until custom duties is paid. These warehouses are located around ports or place where cross-border trade happens. That's all for this session. If you are liking the content, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.